I used to think I needed a perfect office, the most expensive equipment, and the most fancy gadgets before I could start creating content. But I was wrong. This is where I work. It's not Pinterest perfect, not a fancy YouTube studio, but it's enough. Over the years, I have realized that perfection keeps a lot of people stuck. And when I talk about people, I am number one on the list. With the number of videos I have shot for YouTube, if I posted it, I'm very sure this would have been about my 50th video. I'm not even exaggerating. I shoot, I delete, I don't like this, I don't like the background, I don't like this, and it kept me stuck for a long time. But now I am choosing progress because I believe that you just need to start. You grow on the job. You don't need to be perfect before you start. That is why I have chosen progress. Every creator you admire started from somewhere and they improved over time because they kept showing up. They did not give up. When they felt like nothing was moving, they didn't pick up their things and stay in one corner. No, they kept showing up religiously. That is what you should be doing. And that is what I'm focusing on right now because, of course, I want to improve. I also want to get there. And I want to be a creator, somebody who admire, of course. So if you have been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is a reminder that you need to start. Start because you grow on the job. It gets better with time. If you don't start, I believe content creation is like building confidence, right? Building confidence, you don't need confidence before you actually do something. You do that thing and the confidence builds up. It's like a muscle. So content creation is also like a muscle. The moment you start, things start building up for you and you keep getting the muscles you want in all aspects of content creation. So make sure you start. Don't wait for the perfect time. Use what you have. What you have is enough. I'm telling you. Because I'm using what I have. If you see what I have, you want to see what I have. I'll show you one day. I'll see you in my next